Yo, chat. Yo, chat. Yo, chat. I'm back. I'm back in Buyile. As you guys can see, niyanibona ba like ndidiniwe. Kudala ndistreamer like ndidiniwe. Streamer for 3 days, subonga ndidiniwe. I don't wanna lie. Ndidiniwe, yabo. But I told myself ukuthi I don't care noba ndidiniwe. Ngizostreamer because I told myself ukuthi ngifuna uba consistent, ne? Ngifuna uba consistent, show up each and every day. So now I'm showing up. This is me showing up, even though I feel like I'm not in the mood uba mandistreame, but ngizixelele uba no matter what I will show up. Lo nyaka I'm just showing up. Noba ndifila njani, noba kutheni, noba kwathini, I'm just showing up. Yabo, I'm showing up lo nyaka. I don't wanna lie. W's in the chat, Jimmy. Like lo nyaka, I don't wanna lie, I'm showing up. I'm just showing up because I think last week or 2 weeks back I met a supporter yam which is since 2019. She was like, "Siya, uyapusha wena but ingxaki yakho you are not consistent." Like content yakho ndayithanda but you are not consistent. Into izophinda uyiyeke endleleni, like uyayekwazi uyenza into but endleleni uphinda uyiyeke yonke lo way. Yeah. So like kule nto streaming, I'm like, no matter what, I will show up each and every day. Tired, noba ndinjani, I will just show up and stream. Noba ndine views eziyi-2, noba the chat is not moving, hey, I will show up, man. Lo nyaka I'm just showing up because I feel like, I don't want to lie, ne? I feel like God is kind of like testing me kuyo yonke le way streaming. I don't want to lie, I feel like God is testing me because since ndingumntu mna okhawuleza like adinwe kuyenza izinto, yabo. I've done a lot of things, I don't want to lie. Zininzi izinto kudala ndakhe ndazenza but ndikhawuleza ndikwe. Ndikhawuleza ndiyeke. Yeah. So since now I'm getting 2 viewers, 1 viewer, okanye about 5 viewers per stream. So I'm like, okay, God, I see the way ndifundisa yona, yabo. It's like uzama undifundisa consistency, guys. I don't wanna lie, uzama undifundisa consistency and I will be consistent. I will be consistent no matter what. And 2026, the big 26, Gqeberha is gonna be up. Gqeberha is gonna be up. So Jimmy, and S_Khatyo, I wanna ask you guys something, ne? So kwezi streams sendizenzile ngoku, out of 10 ningazirate bani? Out of 10, like out of 10 ningazirate bani ezi streams sendizenzile? I think you should try to stream outside with your phone and let your girlfriend be the cameraman. And the thing is, ne, yabona umuntu xa kwi-relationship nami andithanda umhlupha, yabo. Even though engu-cameraman wami kweza videos e-wine glass, ne, but andithanda umhlupha each and every time, like xa ikhona it's like ngoku funeka senze content each and every time, content, yabo. So I think ndizamkhangela u-cameraman. I think ndizafuna ndikhangela u-cameraman, umuntu ozoba serious, abe behind the phone all the time, yabo. I think like idea right leyo. So I will do IRL and stream outside, yabo. But I still need viewers, yabo. I need viewers, guys. Suicide pride. Akho pride, but andifuni imate soloko lapha. Imate soloko isekhamereni. Imate funeka sometimes izohlala nawe etafuleni kupholwe nitye a table for 2 at least. Ungasoloko isekhamereni izofila ingathi hayi lo mntu uyandiuza for i-content. So cameraman always. White glass cameraman. Yabo. So at least fumana cameraman grand yazi ba we are pushing. Because I don't want to lie, 2026, the big 26, as a TQ, we are pushing. Puff I'm pushing. I don't want to lie. 2 viewers, 5 viewers, I don't care. Like I don't care, nyanyan. And I understand, yabo. And I understand, I don't want to lie. I understand. Yabo, I'm very spiritual. I'm very, very spiritual. So I understand, Guti. The way ndifuna uyenza is very big, ne? I want to do a lot for Gqeberha. I want to create opportunities for people. Like there's a lot I want to do, ne? So I'm like, okay, uNkulunkulu xa ndibeka kule situation kuyo, which is ndifumana 2 viewers, 5 viewers per stream, ne? To me it's nice because I feel like akafuna undinika like thousands of viewers, then after a month or 2 ndiyayeka ustreama, then ke i-procrastination takes place, yabo. Then that means now most yabantu bazoqonda hey usiya unjani, like usiya besithembele kuye wara yabo. So that's why I feel like God is trying to teach me consistency, yabo. That's why I believe God is trying to teach me consistency before andithi ibhadla nge-views, yabo. So before andithi ibhadla nge-views, so I'm like, yeah, let's go. I will show you ukuthi I'm consistent. And also ne, enye into is that I really appreciate the 5 viewers, the 2 viewers endizifumanayo apha, because when I was doing content ye-wine class, ne, when I was doing content ye-wine class, I got like million views. Like I got like mad views, I don't want to lie, I got mad views. But there's one thing endifumeneyo pha kula content ye-wine class, ukuthi i-trend le way. These people are not loyal supporters. Abazo loyal supporters. Now I'm trying to build a community. Ndifuna abantu abazoba loyal, abantu abazondisupporta noba ndenza ntoni, because icacile aba be-wine class abandisupport, yabo. I'm streaming and abandisupport. Into abandixelela yona like, sifuna iividiyo ze-wine class. Like guys, I'm doing something else now. So ithatha ukuthi loo nto you don't want to see me grow, ne? Ndenze iividiyo ze-wine class kude kuthini, yabo. So I'm like, aba bantu abandisupport, yeah, but they are not loyal, bathanda only ezaa videos ze-wine class, yabo. So that's why ndiziyekile ezaa videos ze-wine class. I'm like, ngoku ndizawufokhasa kwaba bantu bandithandayo for me, yabo. Aba bantu bathanda for me and aba bantu bathanda for i-personality yam and i-vision, yonke lo way. I so wish uSibane noSonwabile one day. Yeah, one day, I don't want to lie, one day izokwenzeka lo way. 2026 izokwenzeka lo way. 2026 izokwenzeka lo way. Like lo nyaka ndiyamfila. Lo nyaka lo ndiyamfila big time. Lo nyaka ngunyaka we-punishments lo. Nyaka we-punishments. So if ever ukho umuntu ombonayo ukuthi uzokwenza i-anger, ungalwi naye. Ungalwi nalowo muntu lowo because of lo nyaka we-punishments lo. Unyaka we-self love lo. Guys, umzekelo ngokuba ngapha abantu sebetrendile ngo kusenguJanuary, bangapha abantu sebetrendile. Bangapha abantu sebebanjiwe, like kukhutshwa izinto ba ubani uthe, ubani wenza nto, bangaphi. Asikagqibi noJanuary. Wena ucimbe ke ngokuba uzofayitha, maybe ufight nemate yakho okanye ufight nobani. Hey, not lo nyaka. Ngunyaka we-self love lo. Guys, I want to see the chat moving. Ngihle nabantu abangapha. How many viewers? Ngihle nabantu abangapha. I just want to know my real people. Abantu abandisupportayo, abantu abayithandayo le way ndenzayo. Namhlanje bengazustreama, yabo. Namhlanje bengazustreama, andibizanga mntu. It's just me. Yabo, bengazustreama, but I was like, no. Asoze ndivumele i-procrastination. Yabo. I'm like, no, asoze ndivumele i-procrastination. Nah. I will show up no matter what. Noba ndiyafuna noba ndifuni, I will show up. Yeah, so this is me showing up. I don't want to lie, this is me showing up, guys. Yeah, I'm just showing up. Like 2026 udinga only that. Show up. And also is self-love, guys. Yabo self-love. Lo nyaka is self-love. Hey, yabona umna zininzi izinto ezenzekileyo kum last year. But lo nyaka I'm choosing myself. Sebenzile nabantu abaninzi nditheni, lo nyaka I'm choosing myself. And umna ndaxela one thing. I'm one of the best streamers in SA. I don't need 1,000 views or 1 million viewers to prove lo way. I know like the way in streaming ngakhona it's different than other streamers, yabo. So I don't need 1,000 views to prove lonto leyo. Andidingi 1,000 views to prove lo way. I know I'm the best streamer in SA. I'm the best streamer in SA. Okay. I'm one of the best. Yeah, I'm one of the best. streamers in SA. Yeah, but I'm number 1 at GQ. I'm number 1 at GQ. Yabona, so namhlanje chat, I'm showing up for my 2 viewers. Bengazi streamer, but I'm showing up for my 2 viewers. I'm showing up for you guys. Nyanyani la we. I'm showing up for you guys. Yabona, today said namhlanje. Said kakhulu namhlanje la because oko bengicinga izinto. Oko bengicinga izinto. Can you name your top 3 best streamers in SA? Hey. Top 3. Okay. Zasibeka, but not in like in an order of 1, 2 and 3 yabo. Zasibeka nje nzaba name, but I don't know who's number 1, who's number 2 yabo. Soso is pushing, ne? Sonwabile is pushing, bruh. Sonwabile is pushing, but I feel like at the same time I feel like yabo. At the same time I feel like Inkosi Yamandebele, to me, kum Inkosi Yamandebele is number 1. I don't wanna lie. Inkosi Yamandebele is number 1. Yabo? Number 1. Best streamer. I'm not gonna say like best streamer, but Inkosi Yamandebele is number 1. He's doing too much. Yabo? Inkosi Yamandebele is number 1, he's doing too much. Sonwabile, he's the best, I don't wanna lie. Content yakhe, he's the best, I don't wanna lie. Like ufaki effort. The only thing I like about Usoso, ufaki effort with stream sakhe. Uyayibona effort ba apha ifakiwe effort yapha. So it's Inkosi Yamandebele, it's Sonwabile. Number 3. Okay, now are we talking about the numbers or are we talking about the numbers? Yeah, but if we are talking about the numbers, answers include. But if we are not talking about the numbers, the answers include. So, it's in the question yakho. Are we talking about the numbers? Ikhona enye out eyenza IRL, ne? Dilibele igama layo. We're not talking about the numbers. Then number 3. Number 3. Without the numbers, number 3. But if we're gonna talk about the numbers, andikho na ku top 5, andikho na ku top 10. If we're talking about the numbers, so it's Inkosi Yamandebele, Sonwabile. Kubana numbers between Aaron no Bawutshepe. Any out in the numbers, but face, about touch, face, eyes, face. I don't know Kamalila out, but he's doing too much. That guy is doing too much. But without the numbers, the corner with top 3. Amari, yeah. That guy is doing too much. Aaron Untsoyembo, but I feel like Amari is doing too much. Amari is doing too much. Yo. Guys, I don't like doing the streams in the shop. I really don't like doing the streams in the shop. Sitting and talking about, I don't like Louis. So I think tomorrow, so call streamers are tomorrow. We were supposed to do a stream yesterday, say. Yabo. Yesterday we were supposed to do a stream, say back to school. So I think it's a sense tomorrow. Back to school. Yeah, maybe we're gonna do back to school okanye therapy. So bona, because I do need therapy, guys. Yo. Like kuningi engqondweni yami so ndiyayidinga therapy, guys. Yo. As much as ezinye izinto zingani-hate, but ndiyazifila ba yeah, it's too much. So I do need therapy. So I will call a therapist, either on stream, singokole, and have a chat on stream. Yeah. So today, but based on subs, Sonwabile is the GOAT. Yo, Sonwabile is doing too much based on subs. Yeah, when you see based on subs, Sonwabile is doing too much. Based on subs, Sonwabile is doing too much. True. So chat, I was just showing up namhlanje. I was just showing up. Andifunanga ungangeni yabo. So that if viewers zami zi-2 zicinga be ya lo muntu lona akasikhathalelanga, lo muntu akasoyanga, uzawuthi gqi apha seyisenza i-stream athi sub, we need subs. Yabo. So I was like, nah, let me just show up. Yabo. Let me just show up. Because lo nyaka ngiyazixelela uba I will show up no matter what. Yabo. I'm just showing up. And lo nyaka, I don't want to lie, guys. Ngizoba big. Yabo. Ngifuna ukuxelela one thing. Andiyani noba niyayibhiliva le nto ndizoyithetha okanye wa. But ngifuna ukuxelela one thing. Yabo kulo nyaka ngizoba big. When it comes to streaming lo nyaka ngizoba big. And I'm not gonna beg people to watch my streams. Andizoyenza lo way. I'm not gonna beg people. Ngizoba big, bras. Ngivile kamnandi nana kule nto bendiyithetha uba I'm grateful that ndibukelwa ngabantu ababini, ngabantu abathathu, ngabantu abayi-4. I'm grateful ndibukelwa ngabantu ababini, abathathu, abayi-4. Grateful because it shows ukuthi le nto ndiyenzayo is not a trend. Because nam andifuni bantu abazofika apha only because i-stream sam siyatrenda. No, ndifuna abantu abazoba loyal. I want to build a community. Abantu babe loyal ku-stream, abantu abazondithanda. For me, i-wine glass ndiyekile. I don't want to do wine glass anymore because I feel like I can't ndenzela yona i-wine glass. Ndiwaste ixesha lam kwi-wine glass because of aba bantu abakho loyal. They are not loyal supporters. Abazo loyal supporters. I don't want to lie. For mna abazo loyal supporters. Abazo loyal supporters. I don't want to lie. Because of if wonke umuntu bensupporta kwi-content yami i-wine glass, if wonke umuntu bensupporta, wonke umuntu bezaba lapha. I-stream sam sokuqala besingasoze si-average 90. I think it was 95 or 97 views. Kanti wonke laa mntu ubukela i-content yami i-wine glass bekhona, ayikho lo way. Stream sam suppose si-average over 1,000 views, bra. Over 500, over 300 okanye. But it shows ukuthi abakho loyal. They are only loyal kula content ye-wine glass. I don't need abantu abanjalo life yami. I don't need abantu abanjalo life yami. When I'm dropping music, akho nto bayenzayo. Xa ndidropha music akho nto bayenzayo. Xa ndidrophe enye into akho nto bayenzayo. The only thing abayifunayo kum is bafuna le content ye-wine glass, always content ye-wine glass. Andiyenza loo nto, not anymore. Asoze ndibe si-slave se-content ye-wine glass. Soze ndingumntu nam, I have to grow. Ndingumntu I have to grow. I have to grow ndenza ezinye izinto. If ever nzoba si-slave se-content eyi-one, it shows ukuthi you guys are not supporting le movement ndiyenzayo. Anisupporti mna. You are only supporting i-wine glass. Yabo? You are only supporting i-wine glass. If beni-loyal supporters, be-community right, wonke umuntu bezaba khona kwi-stream. Wonke umuntu bezaba khona kwi-stream. But it shows. It shows, bruh. I don't want to lie. It shows, but nah, I don't have a solid fan base or kind of solid community. It shows, bruh. So apha ku-stream, I'm trying to build a low way. I really appreciate aba bantu bathathu babukeleyo. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate. And I'm going to keep showing up each and every day for you. I'm going to keep showing up each and every day for you. I really appreciate. Luvo, I really appreciate for your chat. Onwaba for your chat. Kamva for chat. Sikole, Kajwa, Jimmy, thank you for your chat. I really appreciate Lowe. Now the chat is moving because of you guys. The chat is moving because of you, and I've been seeing Uluvo. I've been seeing Uluvo with chat so many times. It shows, bruh. It shows. Thank you, bruh. It shows. That's why each and every day, these are up. Pusha up. It's because of you. Because of you, guys. I don't want to lie. It's because of you. It's because of you, Nyan. It's because of you, guys. We're not gonna give up, bruh. We're not gonna give up. Not Lonyaka. Not Lonyaka. Yes, there was a time 2019. 2019 on TikTok, I was popping 2019 on TikTok. Bruh, I was supposed by now, I'm a big content creator. But I feel like I've never had the opportunity to be a solid fan base, a solid supporter, solid community. Zange nana opportunity. The only time ndafumana abantu that are willing unibukela ku stream. Ndafumana abantu that are willing unisupporta. Yabo? Ngoku bendiqala igqibethona. ndithanda oqala igqibethon. I had people texting me like, bra, le nto yenza nice, sinawe bra, like singakunceda ngantoni. The only time I had people texting me okanye bandifowunela uba siya, hey Brana, there's an opportunity. I've met people through igqibethon. Now I do have connections apart because of igqibethon. So that's why I said Wine Glass didn't do ish for me, yabo. Wine Glass didn't do ish for me. Yeah, abantu bayayithanda Wine Glass, content Wine Glass, but it didn't do ish for me. I don't want to lie. Like, content didn't open doors for me. Like, no connections, no nothing. The only time I got connections was the time they sent igqibethon. So that's why I will keep on showing up with stream no matter what. I will keep on showing up with stream noba kungathiwani, because I feel like kulapha apho ndizofumana khona a solid people, solid supporters, solid community. Any plans for this year? Zininzi izinto endifuna uzenza kulo nyaka. Like lo nyaka zininzi izinto endifuna uzenza, but I feel like one step at a time, yabo. I feel like one step at a time. I want to push first for views. I want to be consistent. Not just for views. I want to push and be consistent, get paid. Get paid. And get paid like a real moolah. Yeah. Get paid like a real moolah. Then like I had a meeting namanye machita. Zininzi izinto that we are planning. I don't want to lie. But first, I just want to focus clear, get the views, be consistent, entertain people, because people are going through a lot, man. People are going through a lot for bazobukela stream like ndithetha ngohlobo. People are going through a lot, bruh. Like, people are going through a lot, so at least they do need abefika ku stream kube mandi bahleke, yabo. So streams are not gonna be like interactive ohlobo. Yeah, I'm not gonna be interactive ohlobo. The only time streams I'm super interactive ohlobo, like one-on-one, like and is pusher, because namhlanje ndisipushile. Like and is pusher, then yeah. Otherwise singathi ndizama ukwenza nto, andiyani noba ndingathi comedy stream okanye whatever, yabo. As much as i-talent show bakhona, talent show abantu ba-showcase italente yabo, yeah, yabo. And also I don't want to rely ku-guest kakhulu la way, because I feel like ngoku bendiqala ndirelya ku-guest kakhulu and i-guest andidisappointa. I almost ndayeka ustreamer because of I was like, yo, yintoni aba bantu bendiphoxa, because I was like ndenzela le nto for igqibeka, and then abanye are not showing up. Yangena kabuhlungu lo way, up until I was like, you know what, I don't want to rely on other people for views. Let me just push alone. I don't care noba I'm getting one viewer. Let me just push alone and get the views. Yeah, because now I feel like once abantu bafumana views on Facebook, TikTok, babanamaphiko, and feel like I cannot collaborate nawe, ungubani wena, let me see your Twitch. Una 4 viewers, ngizothina apho, yabo. Forgetting ukuthi this is the only platform eGqibeka, this is the only stream eGqibeka, there's no other one, there's no other stream, this is the only stream eGqibeka. Yeah, so I'm like, Andy, I don't need other people as much as I do, but I want to build my fan base. I want to build my own community alone. Just me. Doing what I do. Just me. Because I've been getting rejections. And it's not nice to get rejections. Each and every day, guys. Yo, hey, busy. The next thing uyambona umeko my friend, akanando kwenza. Umeko my friend, uhleli nje bayancokola, but uthe kuye anzoba busy, I have gigs. The next day uyambona use-shop uyancokola lo mntu akanando kwenza. So now I'm gonna beg other people bamabaze ku-stream while ndikhona mna. I will just show up. Me, myself, and I will show up each and every day. This bullshit. I don't care about other people. I don't care about other content creators. I will just show up. Because the guys are bezikhona kwi-sub ritual, which is Usiba, Tastira, and also uQhamani nalantu anincinci lonke. I was like, okay, you know what? Let's just be a team. Tina sodwa. Let's just be a team and do this thing. Let's just be a team. Siyenze the way. Singabiza abanye abantu, singathini, singahlupha abanye abantu, and do the way each and every day. Because I know once as a stream igqibethon ipope, abantu bazofuna uzapha each and every day bazofuna uba lapha abantu, and akhona endizoyenza mna, umntu ndizambonisa, thatha ifowuni le ndithi ndicela ungene kwi-chats okanye ungene kwi-email, kanti ndimbonisa i-email ndithi check your email, check your email. Ndakusendela i-email zange urisponde, ndakusendela i-text wathi ubhizi, ndakubona ume kwa-my friend. Sasuqhela content creators zasebhayi bras. I'm just gonna push alone. I respect amajita, but if they're not gonna respect me back, then hayi ke mfundini makekwe, sizenze umuntu makazenze into yakhe, because I feel like unity mos ayikho unity apha ebhayi. Uzama unity but ayikho. Yeah, so I'm just pushing la way and hope ukuthi the big 2026 it's gonna be a nice year. It's gonna be a nca year, and hope 2026 is gonna be a nca year. I really hope 2026 oba yini. Guys, ani understand nini? Nina nicimba like I've been through a lot la way umna. I've been through a lot, and most abantu bacimba xa senze i-content ye-wine glass. Sometimes xa senze i-content ye-wine glass it's not because bra I'm flexing. Abantu bacimba xa senze i-content ye-wine glass ndiyaflex about imali, ndiyaflex about abazali, ndiyaflex about into ezininzi. I'm not flexing bra. I'm not flexing, because nami ndingumjita ndikhulele kasi. Nami ndiyafana nomntu wonke bra, ndikhulele kasi. The only reason endenza mandenze la content is because ndiyabona uba thina abantu baphuma kwamakhaya whereby like asenzelwa izinto ngabazali, yabo, siba nale mentality yokuthi sigxeka abanye abantwana. The only reason I did la content was to motivate thina majita okanye thina abantu basuka kwamakhaya like abangenzelwa izinto ngabazali, funeka uphakama uhambe upusha, yabo. That's the only reason ndenze la content. That's the only reason. Abanye abantu like uyaklasa. So now andikwazi uhamba esitratweni abantu bathi hey nguye lo hayi akasaklasi bantu. Bras, I don't have money, andinayo imali. The reason ndisenza la content was not because I'm flexing. That's why la content ndiyekile is because abantu bayibona ngathi I'm flexing. I'm not flexing la content. I'm motivating thina. I'm motivating myself phofu, yabo. So that's yazi ba hey ingxaki zalapha ekhaya mazingandenzi ndicinge abanye abantu like barongo ngokwenzela izinto emakwabo, yabo. I was just motivating me. That's why ndiyekile la content. I don't want to do la content anymore. Like I don't want to do la content anymore nyanyana, yabo. It didn't do ish for me la content leya, but it brought abantu abangandithandiyo because of la content. So I'm just gonna stream more. Yeah. So stream some was supposed to be 30 minutes namhlanje. Stream some was supposed to be 30 minutes, then ndihamba. Yeah. So yo guys, ngathi ndihlukene ne-medium. I don't know. Ngathi ndihlukene ne-medium la way. Yeah. But ke andikho sad ngalo way. Ndichillexile, andikho sad ngalo way because lo nyaka I feel like I'm choosing myself man lo nyaka. Yabo. Yeah. And from I feel like lo nyaka I'm choosing myself nyanyana. I'm choosing myself lo nyaka. And lo nyaka I'm not gonna wait for views to know ukuthi this is streamer is good, like I'm one of the best. I'm not gonna wait for viewers. I know I'm one of the best. I don't need viewers. I don't need viewers to prove ukuthi I'm one of the best. Hayi, not lo nyaka 2026. Not lo nyaka. Ayi. Okay, khona something. Yazi uyabona xa ngumjito olindayo ne, abantu most abantu bathi you are insecure xa ulinda. So I don't know noba abantu bayi-understand le way kanye abayi-understand because kuthiwa ndiyalinda, ndingumuntu olindayo, yabo. So I'm insecure. So mna xa ndithetha into eyi-one ndithi abantu andiyani noba baya-understand okanye aba-understandi. Being insecure, it means there's an absence ye-security, ane? There's an absence ye-security. So akekho umntu onovele nje abe insecure unless awunangqondo. asazi ube insecure nje unless awunangqondo. Wonke umuntu xa ngena kwi-relationship kanye kwi-friendship kanye whatever uqala ube secure. Then akekho umuntu anosuka from being secure to insecure nje spacing. Like I feel like most abantu abayi-understand la way yabo. Abantu are just throwing ngokuthi you're insecure. Ufike njani apho? Sekuzothiwa omnye umntana insecure ufike njani kuloo nto leyo? Yintoni emenze wa-insecure? Unless ke lo mntu lo uphambene uthathe i-trauma ze-relationship adlule kuzo wazizisa kuwe, then awuphambene lo straight. Like uphambene lo. But akho mntu noba secure then from being secure asuke I decide ba hani uqala namhlanje ngizoba insecure. Espacing. And I feel like people need to understand ukuthi i-boundary doesn't mean you are insecure. For creating boundaries doesn't mean you are insecure. But yeah, I feel like we don't understand. So chat, tell please your running numbers on YouTube la way. So running numbers on YouTube, the subs. Let's run the subs on YouTube, guys, please. Let's run the subs on YouTube because check. Bro, I need you guys. I need you guys. Big time. I need you. So I have like 30 views. So one day, 43 views, 2 days, 536 views 1 month, 335 views 1 month. I need you guys. I need you. And niyandinga nyani guys lo. I have I think 2.4 subs. I just want to get to 3K, please. 3K subs, 5K subs, 10K subs. So ngicela nincede la, please. So if ever like uzothatha video and share okanye share link, share whatever, please guys, I need you. Ndiyandinga nyanyano because I feel like I've tried la way. That's why sometimes ngoku ndithanda procrastinator whenever funeka ndishoot i-content because I feel like ndiyazama but there's nothing happening, yabo. And iyadinisa la way. So I need you guys big time. Asoze ngikwazi uyenza le winded. I need you guys. So tomorrow 7 o'clock there's a stream, back to school stream. So please again guys, cela nincede to bring viewers here. Okanye noba kho viewers by 4 okanye 5, it's fine, but sishare, ngicela nincedise ushare please. Please la way. Please nyani la way. Cela nincedise ukushare. Yeah. Please. And I think guys, it's about off chat. And it's about off chat. So yeah, what's happening? Yeah, it's about off chat man. Yeah. So thank you guys for joining. Thank you kaba joinileyo. I really appreciate the way. Big time. It shows ukuthi like you guys ni loyal apha kum. Yeah. It shows ukuthi you loyal guys. So thank you for balapha ku stream. And it's a good feeling when you title ukuthi today I'm calm, just showing up. So Lord each and every day.
When you buy your mama house, that's when you a real. It's been like a full-time job, not a kill.
So every day, low way. Show up each and every day. I'm not gonna give up, guys. I'm not gonna give up. I'll show up. I'll be consistent each and every day. I know one day younger than Ndienzaya. Sizoyibona outcome. One day sizoyibona outcome. One day we're gonna be big. And low one day lays afika ngoku 2026. I don't want to lie. One day we're gonna be big, and low one day later is afika up to 2026. We're gonna be big. People gonna know about me. They're gonna know about me. I know because I trust God. I trust God. I don't want to lie. I trust God. People gonna know about me. Abantu bazoyazi about this stream because I trust God. God is gonna show up for me. God is gonna show up for me. Kudala ndayenza content. Kudala ndayenza le way for years, bruh. For years. Kudala ndayenza le way for years. Klonyaka, I know God is gonna show up for me. I'm not giving up anytime soon. I don't care how many views I get. I'm not giving up. I'm not. So in the hands alone. I'm not giving up. I want to show you something. I have to buy a stool. I have to buy a new chair. I have to buy a stool because of Sophukile, because of the content. Sophukile because of the content. Nkulunkulu, Klonyaka 2026. Please show up, bruh. Show up, bruh, because I don't have money to keep on buying furniture. I don't have money to keep on buying furniture. Show up, my guy. Show up, my guy, please. Please. Please, bruh. And I feel like I know myself now. If ever like it gets hard, I tend to give up now. And no matter what, I will keep on moving, I will keep on pushing. It's hard, kunzima. Like I don't know. I've never had solid friends, bruh. First of all, I've never had solid friends. I've never had a solid fan base. I've never had a solid anything. I've never had like a big brother. Growing up, I had to do it. I'm like, I've never had something fair to. I don't know, bruh. I don't know. Like, it's fucked up, way. Like, I don't want to lie. It's fucked up, way. Like, why am I not push it hard each and every time for something? Like, why am I not push it hard? Like, always I'm pushing hard, but I can't win, guy, bruh. Never had a big bro. Ubethwe estratweni phinde ubuye endlini ukhale uphinde uye estratweni uphinde uyozilwela ngokwakho because you don't have a big bro. Awuna big brother. Like zonke izinto yazenzela ngokwakho. Crazy, bruh. And I've been pushing stream, bruh. I've been pushing stream using my money. I've been pushing stream, bruh. Like sadly, I don't want to lie, sadly, bruh. But best believe ukuthi there's a reason for yonke le nto yenzekayo. I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzama undifundisa only consistency, so I'm gonna be consistent, God. If that's what you want me to do, I will be consistent. Otherwise, enye nenye, I don't know why undenza ngohlobo. Like, I don't know why. I feel like wonke omunye umuntu izinto zakhe, wonke omunye umuntu izinto zifumana easy, but when it comes to me, funeka ndisebenze nzima nawe. When it comes to me, funeka ndisebenze nzima. I don't know why. Like, I don't know why. Andiyazi nenyani. But I will be consistent. If uNkulunkulu ufuna ube consistent, uba consistent. Bruh, first of all, I don't know how many views we got. Plus ritual siyenzile. I don't know how many views we got. Bruh, dindoda first of all. I have younger cousins ezingamajita amantombazana. Dindoda bathi bhuti kum first of all, bathi bhuti. And bruh, we went too far. We went too far plus ritual. We went too far, bruh. Like it's bamhlophe andiyazi, bruh. Ndingubhuti indoda for nini? I do all that because I want to entertain people. Then chiki, we don't get viewers. I don't know, bruh. But the only thing endiyazi is that I'm not gonna give up. And give up kulonyaka. That's the only thing endiyazi. I'm give up kulonyaka no matter what. Maybe next year, but not lonyaka. Yabo. I'm giving God lonyaka. I'm giving God lonyaka. Asibonakalise. So, God, I'm giving you lonyaka abazibonakalise. That ba nami ngumntanakho, bruh. I'm giving you lonyaka only. Now uzibonakalise ba ngumntanakho, bruh. Because I've been showing up all my life. I've been showing up, bruh. But zange ndafumana izinto mna easy. Even though I'm showing up each and every day, zange ndafumana izinto mna easy. Zange yayenzeka lo way kum. Sometimes sendikhwitha nje ezinye izinto and give up. It's because of, bruh, you are taking too long. You are taking too long to respond. You are taking too long to respond. You are taking too long to respond. You are taking too long. Okanye awufuna respond at all. I don't know. But you are taking too long. You are taking too fucking long to respond. You are taking too fucking long, bruh. I've been alone. I've been alone, bruh. I've been fucking alone. The only thing enyenzayo is to show up and stream, is to show up and do content. Like, ufuna ndoni enye ifunayo. Indoni enye ifunayo, bruh. I'm showing up each and every day, doing content, like trying to help other people, trying to put other people on. Like, andiyazi indoni engayenziyo, bruh. Ufuna ndoni. Like, ufuna ndoni. Because I understand, at this point, I understand it, bruh. Are you gonna gay into engayenzi right? Because, okay, now, since I'm self-aware, ne, ukuthi I'm not consistent. I'm self-aware ukuthi I'm not consistent. So, I just want to see, like, uzozimela ngantoni ngo. I just want to see ukuthi God uzozimela ngantoni. I'm going to be consistent. I will show up each and every day. Ngidiniwe ningadinwanga, I will show up each and every day. Ndifuna ukubona uzozimela ngantoni apha ku-2026 because I've been showing up. Like, yintoni engayenziyo? Bruh, I don't know. Andiyazi lawe. And I'm tired lawe. I'm tired of dala nzama. Ndidiniwe lawe, but anzuyeka. I'll show up each and every day. Nangoku ndidiniwe, I'll show up each and every day. Nyanyana. It's through God. Anzukhona the way streaming anzuyeka le. Asoze, I will show up each and every day. Ndithanda ndifuna streamer ndingafuni. I will show up. Ndiyazazi njani. I will show up no matter what. I just want to see ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzothini this time. Because yeah, maybe uzothi I see you are not consistent. That's why I just want to see this time ukuthi uzozimela ngantoni. I will be consistent for 2026 wonke. I will be fucking consistent. I know people abaqalele way within 2 weeks, within 2 months, sebe grand, ne? I will be consistent for the whole fucking year 2026. I want to see uzothini. I just want to see uzothini. So guys, before sinoke off the stream, sithandaze nje kancinci lawe, because xesha selimkile anyways. uNkulunkulu siyabulela ngosigcina kweli xesha, wasikhusela kwizinto ezenzekayo esitratweni. Siselapha namhlanje, sicela usigcine. I'm grateful ngayo yonke into endenzela yona. I'm grateful ngongcina. I'm grateful ngonipha amandla ukuthi niqhubeke noba ndidiniwe ndingadinwanga. Ndiyabulela, qhubeka undipha amandla. Amen. So yo guys, I'm signing out. Yo, chat. Thank you, Kabana Bacho. I'm signing out. Thank you guys. I'm showing up for
when you buy your mama house. That's when you a real. It's been like a full-time job. Not a trip. Buddy want me out the cut. I be trying to drill with him. They hit my cousin 5 times. I pray to God he's still with us. I pray to God he's still with us. I'm somewhere in my real feelings. Make up lies, 1,000 rumors about me, they gon' still feel us. I'm watching guys that was knocking over just to chill with us, talking like they real.